How to add text to a document. After uploading the document and adding signers, go to the Next window by clicking Next button. Now scroll down the document. In this video, we are showing you how to add text field to a document. It is very simple to do. Just drag the text field and place it at the desired location in the document. You can also change the signer account from the drop-down menu and add their fields in the document. You can change the format of the text from the panel on the right side. You can also resize the text field if you want. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.